Oh, hey guys. Vlogmas day 2. And I'm on FaceTime with, you can't see him, but with, wait, it's not even in focus. Good, it's blurred out. With this person. So if you're not already, hit that subscribe button. We on our way to 7K. Gang, gang, gang. I feel like I can't hear out my ear. Ain't that crazy? But Vlogmas day 2, and guess what? I'm not doing anything at all. But I have work to do a little bit, but probably not gonna do that till tomorrow. 97.4. Oh, you're good. And yeah, okay, so I'm currently in the process of trying to clean my dorm room because, not that it's messy, but I just have stuff like all over the place. Literally, like this stuff. It's just, so I'm gonna organize that and throw away some boxes and stuff. Like, there's nothing in this Snapple box, so that can go in the trash now. Y'all see, I put some lashes on. Being extra, because I didn't feel like doing eyeliner, so I was like, let me just pop some lashes on, and I think it looks kind of cute. But yeah, so I'm just gonna clean my dorm, and y'all are gonna clean with me. That's what Vlogmas day 2 consists of, cleaning my dorm. I even got this from BJ's. I think I'm just gonna take all of the cereal out of it and just put it up and throw away this box as well. These are the only shoes that I brought to school with me, so I just had to line those up. The rest of my shoes, like my Uggs and stuff, are at home. But this is cleaned. Now I need to clean the top of this, because this is a little messy. Okay, maybe it's just me, but this is my favorite song for the holidays. Just listen to a little snippet.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Oh my gosh, I love this song. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Y'all have to know about this. The smell is amazing. It's the blissful apple and cinnamon. Anything that's apple and cinnamon, it smells amazing. So y'all can only imagine. I can't wait to go home. I was gonna like do something to my dorm room, but it's pointless because I'm going home soon, so that'll be a waste of time. Anyway, I can't wait to go home and put up the tree with my little brother. I told my mom to wait till I come home to put it up. So everything is all done, yay. Nice and clean. Everything is nice and clean. I'm not gonna worry about this side too much. Nobody stays there. But everything is nice and clean. My room, yay. Don't mind my towel. You don't have to hate when I videotape you. You're just being on my vlog. Say hi.
Hello, vloggers.
They're not vloggers. Well, some of them may be. No, they're my viewers, not vloggers.
Hey, viewers, vloggers. What's the difference?
The difference is they're not vlogging, they're viewing.
Hey, I don't care. I really don't.
Why are you so rude?
I'm not. It's just like, if I were a YouTuber, then I'd care. Like, I strictly care, but until then, like...
You are so rude, little boy. That's my little brother for you guys. He's hilarious. He's a character, okay? You guys have to see Till Death Do Us Part and Something New on Netflix. Those two movies are so good. And You Get Me, that's good too. But I'm probably late. Everybody probably already watched that, but the movies are so good. I love them so much. Alright guys, so that is the end of this vlog. I didn't really do anything today. It was more like a chill day, but just like yesterday, it was really boring. But anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in tomorrow's vlog for Vlogmas Day 3. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and follow my social media accounts, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.